खाने गए।
हाँ हाँ, धर्मेंद्र को तो रात में खाना ही सूझेगा ही सिर्फ उसको। पता नहीं डेली ये टाइम में नेटे कट जाता है मेरा, टाइम टेबल वो ही बना लिया है। ओके
सर हम लोग के नेट को आप हमेशा बुरा बोलते थे ना।
जैसा कर्म करोगे वैसा फल देगा भगवान। Okay, so no, I not want this external CSS. What I have to do? I can delete this file.
Comment out, sir.
Oh, comment out. Okay. So, oh, wait. Why are you coming?
Sir,
So
your
first
screen.
Huh? What about my screen? Visual or not?
Yeah, sir, visible.
Some lining is there.
Lining is there.
No,
or
sir,
others?
no, sir, it's clear.
Dharmender, what are you telling? Lining. Had you done a scaling there?
Sir, Dharmendra giving line to you.
Dharmender, take one eraser and remove that line, okay? So see, we taken one alert here. It coming first one, this one. Then it coming second. I want registration success to be first, then hello world to be second. How I can do? Any idea?
Reverse that place.
Reverse this place. Okay.
Changing position, sir.
See. What? Rosal, what you telling?
Position, first we'll take a registration success. Sir,
Okay, fine.
I will take
So let's
hello world.
Okay. So let's see. We got registration success on the first, then we got the hello world in the second. Now tell me the issue. Is when we changed, then it changed the position and output also. Why? What is reason behind that?
Because sir, hello world is already taken we in external.
External. We already commented out. See this line.
Oh,
Sir,
okay,
refresh
sir.
and run again, sir.
Because sir,
Hello world.
this is like
Because sir, I think
alphabet matter.
alphabet. Yeah, sir. I think alphabet.
What alphabet?
Hello
Why
world.
again telling this
H,
alphabet?
I am also, sir. I am also
H,
like that, sir.
H is first and R.
Now H is second. R become first. Now hello world is coming second, and registration is coming first. Now see. Who came first? Registration success. Correct?
Sorry, A, B, C, D,
Yeah,
H is first.
Now hello world coming second. This is simple question. In HTML I had told you.
Sir, you can write first of in 50 run, sir, like sir, serially, sir, like Sri up to down.
First
Sir.
right,
That's why,
first
sir.
come.
First come registration, sir. That's why coming.
First come, first give.
First
This way
came,
we
first
will learn
out.
this
Sir,
way
first
this
came,
way we
first
will
out.
learn JavaScript.
Sir, which line is getting executed first, that output is coming, sir.
Yeah, means that is line by line execution. Correct. Don't forget. This is line by line execution. This line executed, output came. Then this line executed, output came. HTML also having same thing. Here we written H1. Then only H1 is coming on the top. If we will write paragraph, then paragraph will come. See, first heading came, then paragraph came, because line by line execution is going on. Correct or not? Here you can't realize that one because suddenly you getting the output, but it going line by line execution. So all the programming language, you have to look like that, how that execution is going on. So slowly we have to learn this small things. Okay, because slowly we will get this thing deep and deep. So always line by line execution. That thing you have to keep in mind. Clear or not? Okay. So where we will write the JavaScript? Head, body, anywhere. Left this one, JavaScript in the head. It's not an issue. Already we seen that. No need to learn this thing now. We will get this later. Then JavaScript in body, we already seen. Otherwise, just copy this line of code and pass it here in the body section. It will work. Then external JavaScript. This also be seen how we can write external. See, example, something function and something is there. We taken just normal alert. We had seen how it working from the external, internal, that thing. Anyone having any issue up to this? So what is the advantage of the external external JavaScript or external CSS? Can anyone tell me? What is the benefit? Approach, Praful, Roshan.
Yeah,
Tell me.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is the benefit?
So we can write
To
multiple
separate, sir.
features.
Shivani,
Separate
I
the
know.
file.
Shivani, I know you are on fasting. Okay. So if you will not speak, then also it will fine.
But I am telling
Your voice is coming very low because you had not taken anything, I think, food.
you, no, sir.
We can,
Sir,
sir,
separate
easily
file
understand
can
some code.
define
Yeah. So
easily get
uh,
idea.
correct. So we can write separate line of code. It become easy for handle. It easy for understanding purpose also. So maintaining code is also good. Suppose that here you had written JS file. If you have to look over the JS file, what you will do? You will directly came on this page and you will verify where is the error. Correct. But if you will mix that thing here in HTML, it become like complicated. It become the garbage. Finding out which is correct one, it become too much complicated. So we will always prepare to go with the external, whether CSS or JavaScript, anything. Okay. And already we know that how we can get the path, file path, like external CSS. We already have this idea how we can get this one. Correct or not? So multiple, there is no restriction in the creating the file. Okay. There is no restriction. Now we know JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Now JavaScript, try to make the proper folder structure. Okay. Try to make proper all the things. That is the main thing. Now you have to keep in mind how you will make the folder structure. Naming convention. If anybody had written like just A, B, C or anything, I will delete his file. Okay. So please, you have to take care. Otherwise, if I will delete from here and I put it in the main, means your file gone. So please take care. Okay. So that is the benefit of the external CSS, external JavaScript. Sorry. Next. No need to go through these examples. We know that. Then JavaScript output. Yeah, this one. So what are the different possibilities of showing the output of JavaScript? Okay. Now, up to now, what we had learned, how many type of possibility of showing output? Can anyone tell me?
There are two types of
What?
internal or external.
What are you telling?
The live server, sir, using live server.
Oh my God, she is somewhere again. Live server.
What is the question,
That
sir?
TCS employee.
Amardeep is silent now. Don't tell the TCS employee. Tell the
Because
TCS
sir,
new.
some work
I am telling about
load.
Shweta.
No, I am not TCS employee.
She is Accenture.
Why, Shweta?
Sweta is the future TCS.
No.
Sum of 2 and 3. What is it? Is 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum of 2 and 3.
5.
5. Okay. Means you are correct. What happened? Sum of 2 and 3 is 5. It's not showing there.
Sir, you doing this thing in console.
Where is the console? Now I
Sir,
not showing in console. 1 second. Oh, external CSS is that one. External JS. So see, I will not write external JS. Mostly I will go with the internal itself, but you have to write the external JS. Okay. I will also try, but mostly. Okay. So what I had asked a question, how many page you can show the output to user? Question is that how many type you will show the output to user. What is the output of this one? Sum of 2 and 3 is 5. How you showing this to user? How you got this? Alert. Correct or not?
Correct, sir. Some pop-up is there.
Sweta, is this correct? With the help of alert, we are showing the output to user.
Yes, sir.
Got it? That's
Yes.
not live server. Okay? Dharmender, clear? So with the help of alert, we can show the output to user. This is one page. What is second page? One more I had already discussed.
Console, sir.
Confirmation, sir.
Don't go confirmation. That is not confirmation. No any tag is there, I think. I don't know.
Confirm, sir.
That is console actually. So now go with console. So console.log and right here. I will write the same thing. Okay. Console sum of 2 and 3 is 5. This become 5. Wait, I will change this. Sum of 20 and 30. How much? 20 and 30? 50.
50.
So I want to show that 20 and 30 become 50. Now we are getting 2 and 3 is 5. Okay. I want to check this. Where is this output and how I can check this? Tell me.
Sir, go to in a DOM.
Where is the DOM?
Page
Don't
person to 12,
hey,
sir.
Abhishek, don't tell this type of answer to interviewer. Go to DOM. He will go somewhere. He will ask you, visa is required or passport. Okay. So how we will open this console? We will go
Console is 12,
right
sir.
click on the browser
Sir,
and
right
inspect.
Console
click.
is 12.
Okay. And here the console. And see, we got the output here. Sum of 20 and 50 is sum of 20 and 30 is 50. So this is another page of showing the output. Correct or not? Because user will never see your code. If you will show this line of code to user, what he will get? Any idea? No idea. But if the user will look over here, then he will get some idea. Clear? So let's see. This one alert and second is this console. So two things we had seen already, and now we learn two things how we can show the output to user. Anyone having issue up to here? Tell me.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir,
I have a not question. I have a question.
yes, sir. I have a question, sir. You telling in what we writing in the DOM, this is
Yeah.
a not a permanent. This is a temporary. In this time,
Correct.
this is a temporary or
So this is not,
permanent.
is this DOM? Whatever we showing here, is this DOM?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Is this DOM?
Yes, sir. The dome is console.
Who telling? Shivani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is DOM. Then what is this one?
Yes.
If that is a DOM, then what is this one?
It is also DOM, sir.
What happened? Oh my God. I written in one line itself complete code. Order 3 px solid out. Order color red. This one is DOM or this one is DOM?
Sir,
Sir,
both are
both
dome.
is DOM.
Yes,
At
sir. Both.
No, both is not DOM. DOM is this one. Okay, whatever we had written here, this one is the DOM, but this is console. Okay, this is never known as DOM.
After open the DOM, then we
No,
can
no,
click
no.
on the
One
button.
second. That is,
You
see
told
what I told. See, previously I was discussed.
when click on DOM, then
See,
we have to click on console and show
wait.
the output.
Now
Whatever
everybody
written in the
blaming.
JavaScript.
Now everybody blaming to me. Sweta telling you had told before 2 days. I will tell you later. Now she telling you had told me this is a DOM. Means everybody is blaming me only.
Yes, sir.
See what?
You already
I
told
understood the
me.
same thing.
So see, that is the way of opening that section of the browser. Okay. Otherwise, just tell me how you will open that section. Is there any button or anything is available? No. But when we doing right click, we getting multiple option. Correct. So suppose when you open page source, you will click this page source. It will give you page source. Otherwise, are you getting any button on this browser to look over the page source, or just left that thing also? If you will tell to just a one normal person, okay, like a normal person, your friend who is not studying, who had completed something, graduation, this, that, something. If you will tell to that person to open the source code and show me regarding this website, is that possible? Is this will possible for that person? What are you
No, sir.
thinking? No. But if you are developer, you know that how you can open. Means you can right click and you can go and page source. Otherwise, shortcut is there, control U. Otherwise, if you going in inspect, then you can also do. In inspect, there are multiple options. Okay. Whenever you have to do DOM means this section only. Okay. These all are multiple section. As like if you designed one website, there will be multiple section: home, gallery, contact. These all will be multiple section. Correct or not? All will be do their functionality. But for reaching those section, what you have to do? You have to open your website first. Then only you will reach those section. Am I correct or not? So same thing, if you have to reach these all section, if you want console, source, you have to open this file. See page source. We got page source here also, or page source here also. But we reached same thing, both places. But there are different section by which we can reach there. This become network tab. This become performance. This become memory. There are different things. Means you can imagine how much type browser can work. How much type browser is working there. Got my point? So this is not DOM. DOM is this part only, element section. Okay. And console, this is for the data purpose. Here you will get error. Then data, whatever you want to show in console, you can check this one. Is this clear? Where is the DOM or not? So that's why
Yeah,
it's
sir.
not temporary. It is permanent. It will be based on your code. Whatever you written in the code, it will came here. But see the border property. We had written in the DOM. That's why it came there. Remove means just refresh. It gone. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Only
Shivani,
elements is in the DOM.
yeah. So only element tab is the DOM section. It will be temporary purpose. Shivani, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next time, don't tell that this all is a DOM. No, this is the page. Means if yeah, if you're doing right click, this is the page of entering in the browser section. Browser DOM section you can tell, or browser different
For
options.
that, we all know this is DOM. I think
Yeah,
everyone
means
knows DOM.
yeah, because in
So click on
HTML,
inspect. Yes, sir.
correct, because in HTML I had not explored more. Now
Yes,
also,
sir.
how much things you know? We know only HT element, and now we know the console. Clear? Now we have no any
Yes,
idea.
sir.
Means we know source also. Means from the source, but we don't know much more in the source. But in the JavaScript, we will learn all the things. See, something is there, then something is here. These all symbol we will use in the JavaScript case. Okay. Then you will see what is the use of this one. Then something network. Have you any idea what is the use of network? Then performance, then memory. Many things are
Why?
there. What? No idea. Okay, because we had just discussed that time only one section, that was element, because that time everyone have no idea regarding even HTML. If I will tell that time itself these all section, that time itself they will tell, okay, it's the first day become last day for me, let it to be. Correct or not? But now the time came and slowly we can get. So we know two ways of showing the output to user, that is alert and console. So we will learn the third page and fourth page, that is different other page are there. So another page is writing into an HTML element using inner HTML. There is one page inner HTML. So how we will write this inner HTML? And one more page is that write. Okay, document dot write. Another page. Then one more page already be seen this window dot alert and then console dot log. Now question is that why we not written this window dot alert and why we had written directly alert? Be written here alert. Correct. If you will write here window dot alert, what are you thinking? Will it work or not? What are you thinking?
No thinking.
No thinking. Oh my god. So it will work because this all alert property, this all property is the who is the parent? Window is the parent. Okay, that's why no need to write window. We will write directly alert in all case, not only here. While programming also, you will not going to write, never you will write window dot alert. You will always write just alert. So let's see. We got the output. Clear? Because that is window property. Window property means this functionality window have. Suppose that uh, be looking over one doctor. So what work doctor can do, we know that. Then if you going one shop, any shop, medical shop or any painter or anything, who means a different occupation person. So we know that what he will do. So that type, if we writing alert and window dot alert, so alert by default know that this is the property of window. So there are different section whose property, what is the property they have. Like window have some property. So what is window? We are using the word window. Can anyone tell me what is window?
Yeah, sir. This is the in window, sir.
This
What
browser.
interface? Yeah.
Yeah. So this browser, the browser page, this is known as the window. Okay. Don't think the window means outside, whatever window is available in your home. No, window means this window. Okay. So window have that
Window
property.
means
So
Windows
let's,
10.
yeah, don't think that also. So let's see what method window have. So how we can check? Don't do anything. Just write in console window. Okay. And see. We got many. See here. We got here window and colon window, self window. You can write here. If you want, write here something window dot. Suddenly you will got all the method. Okay. If you will write a dot, it will give you all the suggestion. What method you have. So see, when you will scroll, it will give you. See, the alert is there. Okay. Animation, play, effect, on event, array, many things are there. Okay. Then for audio is there, audio buffer, audio context, audio data, something is there. We not want now confusing this much. Okay.
Sir,
This become,
console is temporary, no?
no, not temporary. This
This is
become permanent.
permanent.
This become permanent. Whatever be written in the code,
Yeah,
according
in
to
the
that.
code, na, if we change something in the console.
No, but then also it will not change. This
Okay,
value will not change.
okay.
Because this value is coming from our code. So if we will change, then only that will change.
Okay.
But suppose you writing any code here. Suppose you writing here 5 plus 2. Okay. It given 7. Okay.
Yeah.
And now if you reloading this, where is that 5 plus 2? Gone. Because we had
Yes, sir, I
written
am
that.
asking the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So that become DOM. that acting like a DOM, document object model, because 4 plus 2, 7 plus 2, whatever B had written, this become temporary. But
Okay, okay.
the thing which I had discussed, this is console, and that also console. But you can tell that simply, if anybody asking, then you can tell that if you writing something in your browser, okay, browser console means not that coming from the code, that become temporary, because here if you be writing anything 2 plus 2 2 plus 3 minus 5 something, then this become temporary because we written that thing in our browser. But if we writing the same thing in our code, then it will be permanent.
Permanent.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
one shortcut is also there for writing console. Don't write console.log, just write log and take the second one. Okay. See, this is a square type symbol. Okay. And click. You will get this console.log completely and write here. No need to take single quote or double quote. Whatever I had told you, as accordingly you can take 5 and 3, something like this. Just save. Okay. So whatever be getting here, that
Sir,
is
what
coming from the
happened when without writing without any code, sir?
double quote. Okay. So
Yeah.
let's see. Question. Let's see what it going to do. So I removed it. Are you
End
getting any
also,
error?
sir. Yes, sir. End
Are you
also
getting
remove, sir.
any?
Yeah, sir.
Are you getting any error?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Put cursor.
And
Maybe you will
sir,
got.
sir, a space remove, sir.
Then you will not get error. We'll learn this thing later. Why we not get in the case of 53? Because this become number. Anybody know a string and number?
Yes, sir.
That is the concept. Okay. When you passed in the single quote, this become complete a string. That's why you not get this error. Here it came, but we not get any error. But when you had removed this one, and now here the number is there, then and is something, then again something. Okay, that's why we getting error. And you know number and a string.
Yes, sir.
Shivani,
Yes,
and
sir.
see number and a string.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, when you written something and you executed this program, you run the code. See, in the console, you will get the error. What error is there? Uncaught syntax error missing. After argument, something list, something is there. Line number 3. Sorry, line number is 18 and file name is 3.html. So file name 3.html, this one. So do one thing. Click here itself and see. You will get some file open automatically. It will open the file. See this error. Had you got? This way we can also check which line having error. Now you can verify this line in your code. So this way we can do that. Clear? So tomorrow we will learn this thing, that how we will use a write and inner method. So now what we had discussed, we discussed how we will write JavaScript. What is the use of JavaScript? What are the framework of front end? What is the use of front end and back end? Then what front end is doing and what back end is doing. And with the help of JavaScript, what all functionality we can do. These all things we had learned. Anyone having any doubt up to here, tell me. We had not covered much more topic. We covered just whatever we had discussed in the starting also, alert and console. So if anybody had missed that, now you got that idea. How you can show the output to user in 2 ways. One page is alert. Error I not removed. And one thing, we can write as much alert and console you want. There is no restriction that you can write only 1 or 2. And the next, this is script tag also. is not restriction that you will write only one script, two a script. No, as much you want. Clear?
Sir, in
Clear?
anywhere.
Yeah. So as much you want, you can write. It's not a restriction. So tomorrow we will learn this all things. Means today was just the first day, so we not covered much more, just little bit. But tomorrow we will go one by one, and we will cover that all slowly, slowly. So that's fine. For window property, no need to write window. And see this document, somewhere document is written, document dot write. Okay, if you will write, suppose that document dot alert, will this work or not? Let's see.
I think it's works, sir.
Window dot alert alert, and let's see. Who telling it will work? Who telling it will not work? I don't know what it will, because we had not checked this type of scenario. It worked, but where it worked? By mistake, I previously I had written window itself or alert.
That's it.
Window dot alert.
I want to document. It not worked. Correct. It given error. Document dot alert. See the question. It is written document dot write. That one I was trying. That we can write document dot alert or not.
No, sir, this is
Why?
not work.
Why it not worked? Can anyone tell me? In case of
Because sir,
window, okay.
we use window.
Oh, means
Alert
for
is showing
document you
some
have
pop-ups, sir. But document, you can need document. A document, you can write some text.
no. What are you getting from the word document? What
Documents are
meaning or
like
what
some
understand?
file and
File, yeah. So it's like a page. You can tell like page. Correct or not?
correct, sir.
Document means like page. So whatever text you getting here, it's like page or not? Whatever text you getting here now, it's look like page. It is in the browser,
Yes, sir.
but it will be like page. We had written something here, so this become page. But when you going window means complete browser. Okay, it's not considering this page, complete browser itself. So that's why it not worked, because window and alert, sorry, window and document both are different thing. Who is the parent, window or the document?
Sir, window is parent.
First window, then document. Correct. Because first browser will come, then only this page will get open. If you have not this browser, Chrome browser is not there, then how this page will open? Is that possible? Not.
No, sir.
That is the thing. So that's way we can think that this means a document means the particular page, and browser means means complete window. Okay, so each have a different property. Like window have different property, page have different property. Then that's why we telling DOM, document object model. Then POM, POM means page object model. Then WOM, window object model, different property. So according to what property feature they have, they will work. If we are taking something here, something be passing there, it will not work. Okay, so no need, slowly you will get these all, what property they have, what means how that will work, this thing. Because see, in any language there are many things, but we are learning only particular which is more useful. Per day we are using. If you getting tomorrow something, you can search in Google if there is requirement. So let's see one time window property. We had not checked in JavaScript. W3 school opening. So see, this much property window have. So close the property for closing the window, then console.log, then default status document, return the document object for the window. Then it become the document, means the window already is the means the document is the part of window. That's why. Then you can increase the inner height, inner width, length, local storage, location. It's no issue that whether this is document or window, we can get one by one all. That's not an issue. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. What all is here? Using window alert already seen, console.log already seen, then JavaScript print method, then JavaScript statement. This is for commenting a statement. Okay. Then a statement, fine. This is just a basic. That's not much more. This is simple actually. Code block, JavaScript keyword. Main thing, it will start from here. This one. Keyword. This one is the thing. Within 1 or 2 days, we will reach there. Okay, let's stop recording.
Thank you, sir.
What happened? Why it not stopping? Why it not stopping?
Sir, you left and join. Stop.